What's up, everybody? So was talking about what we were going to do on the cheap as far as our modifications and thing we're going to do to the Tacoma, and
I was on the truck.
Yes, Hadley was on the truck, and my good buddy down the road just happened to have some red Plastidip. So what we're going to do is we are going to Plastidip the chrome. We're going to start off with the 4x4, work to the V6.
Oh yeah.
Then do the SR5 and the Tacoma of both sides. First, what we got to do is get the painter's tape around it. All right, folks. So we have it all.
Which doesn't matter.
Taped up right there. The stuff we're going to be using is a rattle can Plastidip from the Walmart. This is, yes, I know Walmart, but some people say Walmart. And that's the color. So we'll see exactly what this looks like. All right, so that right there, friends, is coat number 1.
I look better now.
All right. So, got a nice even wet appearance. Now we're gonna come over here and move over to the V6. Let that dry for about 30 minutes or so. We're gonna do the V6 now.
And no one can touch it in the butt.
I don't know why we're touching it in the butt. Yes. I'm gonna like that. So, I won't bore you with the recoating of the tailgate badges, but it's time to do this SR5. Of course, I should watch my elbow. So we go a little wide on the tape because the spray coming out of the Plastidip bottle is wide. There it is. Gotta make it look wet for the first pass, then you give it 30 minutes. I think obviously you can use a lot of newspaper if you want to. Okay, it is now time for the reddening of the badge, the main Tacoma badge. I really like this red. It's nice and bright. So this is the absolute cool part, guys. I've seen on many other videos, not just here, but this overspray gets you a little microfiber cloth. And look at that. That mess just comes right up. Okay, back to the spot where this all began. So we've done a couple of coats on this thing. Yep, there's my handy dandy toothpick. That's what we're going to need to like pick it up. And so what we're going to do is holy crap, I don't believe it's actually working. Wow. Holy cow, that is so cool. This stuff pretty much just cut itself. Man, that's super cool. I'm happy with this. Super happy. And the cleanup. Oh man, just the overspray cleanup is just simply easy. Of course, perhaps I do this black. And I am pretty happy. Look at that. They all pop super nicely. That's my Tacoma. You do yours. Have a good day. Look at it.